Yo, what's going on, gang? Welcome back. As you can tell from the start of this video, I haven't driven my car in a while. Well, I've driven it obviously to go work out, but like that's pretty much it. Like, bro, it is covered, bro, in just bird shit. Like, oh my god, bro. Just cake, bro. Just cake and bird shit. So we're heading to my boy's crib right now. We're gonna go do a quick wash. We're doing a quick wash. We're not doing the inside because the inside's still clean from the last time. As I can see, still so spotless. So oh. So yeah, that's what we're doing, man. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the camera back up when we get to his spot, and then I'll see if I want to film while we're doing the whole detailing process. And then I think I'm gonna drop another video, I think this week, maybe 2 more videos this week, for something else. So stay tuned for that, man. All right, I might do a POV night drive as well, we'll see. But stay tuned, man. I'm gonna see you guys when I arrive to a spot. All right, man. Later. There she is. It's my boy too, if you guys need him. But yeah, man, we're getting a quick express wash right now. That's my boy. Yo, if you guys ever need him, bro, for any detailing in Jersey, hit him up, bro. I'll show you his phone number too. Super Lux Detailing. Go to guy, man. Phenomenal work. Always quick, fair prices. Mobile as well too, as I can see with the van. Hit him up. We're doing a quick wash right now. He's got an M340 here as well. So we're just out here chilling. I'm letting him do his own thing over there. The space is limited. So I'll show you guys the finished product afterwards. Yo, what's good, gang? It's the next day. I'm trying to see where I want to place you guys. I got the suction cup right here. Also, the car's fully clean. I don't think I showed it all yesterday because it got too dark. But yeah, she clean now, man. She was dirty yesterday, bro. Fully caked up and bird shit. Fully caked up, and now she clean though. Yeah, last time I had you guys right over here, like right here, so that way you can see the rear, having that rear shot. But I don't know where I want to put you guys now. The audio wasn't too good. A lot of wind noises. So I'm gonna see if maybe maybe a front shot, maybe. I don't know, I want you guys to hear, like, the actual car, the turbo noises. I feel like the only shot for that would be the back, but then again, you can't really see the side like that. I don't know what that is. But if I put you guys in the trunk area, like if I bring you guys over here and put you like right there, then you will only be able to see the exhaust, this side. You won't be able to see, you know, the rear wheel or the tire or the actual side of the vehicle. But if I put you guys on the side, then you get out of wind noises coming this way. Over here, at least it kind of blocks some of them, just because, you know. But I'm not sure where I want to put you guys down. I could do like a this shot here. Like if I put you guys like right here would be the best shot if I want you guys to hear the actual car without too much wind noises. But I don't know. I have a wind cover for the GoPro, but it still doesn't do much for the wind. So I'm not sure where. I could put you guys like right here too, like right here for this shot, but you won't hear the car as much. You'll just hear the big pops and stuff that happens. So I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys, man. I know one of you guys commented that this angle was pretty good when I had you guys on the rear, but I felt like it was too much wind, so you couldn't really hear much of the car. Like the only good spot to put you guys in is like right here, but you'll only be able to see, like I said, this portion of the vehicle. That's that. I don't know, man. I don't know. Should I just say fuck it and just have you guys right here by the exhaust? But then I'm also gonna get paranoid because what if my shit falls off? You know, so there's like a I don't know, bro. Should I just do another one right here on the side, but like hopefully the audio becomes better? Maybe. I can also put you guys like up here or something, like right here, and just point it towards the rear. Do a super view of the rear. Let me try that out. Let me try the rear trunk spot real quick. All right, give me a sec. All right, yo, I'm gonna have you guys on the rear view mirror, and hopefully that is okay. I'm gonna do a quick little circle. I'm gonna rewatch it, and if it's too much wind noise, I'm gonna change it to another angle. Replay it on my end, and I'm gonna see if it's good. I'm gonna leave it in, and I'm gonna leave it how it is right here. So give me a sec. Alright, so that was pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it recording, and I'm gonna just go drive around and see. Hopefully we're good. Alright, y'all. Is that still recording? It is. I hope y'all like that little quick 10-minute video of me just ripping the car. Hopefully the audio sounds good. Oh, that's right. I gotta change the thing from it's on happy view right now. That's why this thing looks weird. But yeah, man. Hopefully y'all guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys want more of that type of video. I don't mind doing that. It just you guys just won't hear any commentary through it. So let me know what you guys want to hear or see, should I say, because I don't mind making those type of videos, man. I really don't. So you guys just have to let me know down in the comments below. All right, y'all. Bumpy, man. Bumpy. But yeah, I'm gonna do a POV as well. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be tonight or tomorrow night, but I want to do a night POV again. I haven't done one of those in a while, man, in a minute. So we'll go ahead and record one of those for you guys. Yeah, it's an E92 335, I think, that just always sits there. I look, you wanna see if he's selling it or not, because I don't know, man. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can hear the vehicle too, man. That's the point of all of this. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here, y'all. I'm gonna go home, upload this, or edit, upload. Hopefully it comes out good. Hopefully you guys like this type of video so I can keep making more. My battery's about to die though. So peace out, guys.